I actually fell asleep, and then my date was waiting for me in the building for maybe close to 40 minutes.
I gave you.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Wade. I'm making this video. The content on the video is probably almost 3 months old. It started pretty well. No, actually, no, it's not true. It didn't start pretty well because I actually fell asleep, and then my date was waiting for me in the building for maybe close to 40 minutes. I was actually lucky, like we didn't even meet. It was our first time seeing each other. Like we had talked before, but we had never seen each other. And I remember she told me, let's meet at the park. But I said, hey, I have no clue where the park is. Yes, I could tell, I could look. I'm gonna come to your building and then we're gonna go together. I said, fine, cool. So let's meet at, I don't know, maybe I said 6. She texted me maybe half an hour before coming here. And then I didn't answer back, so she said, well, you know what, maybe it's busy or he's doing something. So she just took a cab and drove to my place. And I remember when I woke up, like there was just a line of text. I'm like, oh shit. And I could see she was pissed. Like, oh, I can't believe you're doing this to me. Are you actually ghosting me? Wow. I mean, why don't you answer the phone? And then with an angry smiley face, I'm like, oh shit. So basically, she was waiting for me like more than almost an hour, so I'm actually pretty lucky. And then so I jumped in the shower, took a quick shower for maybe not even 5 minutes, dressed up, put on some perfume, and then went downstairs, and then there she was with a not so happy face. But first thing I remember, I gave her a hug, like I said, sorry, and just that I fell asleep, right? And then after that, maybe 2-3 minutes after, you know what, she kind of forgave me, and then we went on our date in Parque, lleras. I remember, like, I was so amazed being in lleras. I mean, it was just like the mix of colors, and it was even raining that day, but nonetheless, and hearing the music, seeing the people, it felt something like kind of magic to a certain extent. Um, I just couldn't take my eyes off the people, the building, the music, and in the end, it was like everything was just so different. And I remember my phone was in charge, and she just took my phone and said, "You know what? Let me ask the bartender if they have a charger." And I'm like, should I do that? I mean, is that safe? But I found out that I wouldn't say it's common, but like I'm known for having a cell phone which is always charged at 1, 2, 3, 5%. I'm never full. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. But I did that a couple of times. I did ask the person behind the counter if they had a charger that I could charge my phone and leave it there while I was eating. And maybe that's naive of me, but after doing it a couple times, I just felt like, look, if they do have it, I mean, obviously, I don't think I would do that everywhere, but a few places I just felt safe enough to leave my phone there and being charged. And I know that's something I could never do in Canada. Well, I'm not saying it's not true, but this is not something common. Like even if they would, they'd be like, hell no. So yeah, that was. Oh, and we drank so much. Like I didn't remember when was the last time I drank that much. Like you wouldn't see, but we just had a glass after another one, after another one, after another one, after another one. And when I got back home, like I was so drunk. But it was, I guess, a way of celebrating my first actual full day in Colombia, Medellin.